All right, and we should be live. Good morning, everyone. Hopefully you're having a great Sunday. There's a couple of chatters here, which is good. We'll address that in a second. Let me know if you could hear me fine. I did test my microphone, so I should be good. I've been making a habit to do that. I turned on the GoXLR app because sometimes I do have a cough, and I don't want to be doing that in the mic or in the mic. I do have this cough button, but if you don't have the app open, for some reason it doesn't work, which is a little odd. Frederick, good morning from sunny and hot Central Texas. I think somebody actually asked me, I think it was Texas, this week to come down to Texas to do some work. But yeah, I'm not going to the States to do some work. John Irish, good morning. Sunny, hot, and humid Alabama. Jason, how's it going? From Vancouver Island. Jason's Lab does a YouTube channel as well. Check that out, but it's raining there. I wish it was raining here. I prefer, I don't know, it's pretty sunny here. I do like rain though. Morpheus, how's it going? From Ghana. Got Wire, Ali, we could hear you good. Good morning, Jim. How's it going? Christopher, how's it going? From Norway. Awesome. So there's a couple things we're going to go over today. I don't know if people want to look at pictures of home labs that they've submitted that weren't in that first original video, but we could do that, I guess, maybe. I'm still going to put them in the video. Brother, how's it going? Good morning. So I'll still end up putting that in the original or in the next videos. It's going to be a video series. I think we did. Let's see here. I forget how many people I put in this, but it was like 12 minutes long. And I think we may have only looked at like 10 home labs. So it's going to make for a long, I've gotten about 150 submissions. Robert, how's it going? From Central, there's a lot of people from Texas. Yeah, well, everybody, so how I'm going to have to do it, I'm going to have to go through my Instagram. I'm going to have to go through my Twitter. Some people sent it through Facebook. Where else did they send it? Some people emailed me directly. So I'm going to have to go through all of that. And then what I'm going to do is pick the oldest ones, like the closest ones that were to the first submission group. And then we'll go through there. I'm going to have to go through the video again because I don't remember who we already put there. But yeah, we could take a look. I just need to make sure that some of the DMs that I have aren't private because a lot of people have sent me some stuff. But we will talk about a few things like the chime and whatnot. The chime's all right. I didn't really make a mistake, but just thinking about how normal doorbells work, it's we'll talk about that in a minute once more people get here. Tony, how's it going from Quick Tech? Good to see you here. Hope you're doing well. I don't know if I want to mention this right now. Maybe we'll wait till more people get here. It's some disappointing news for us Ubiquity content creators for a little while anyway, but we'll go over that shortly. Steve, how's it going? Good morning. The next video I'm going to do, I'm not really too sure, to be honest with you. I haven't even started a video for tomorrow. So I was thinking either I have to review the TP-Link Wi-Fi 6 in-wall thing. They sent me that access point, so I need to do that. I know that's not going to get as much attention as normal. I still have to do a video on Synology Surveillance Station. So I may do that. I may do that for tomorrow. That's going to be a base install, just installing a few cameras onto that catio and one in the front yard, creating a VLAN for it in my Ubiquity gear, and then blocking it out with firewall rules. With firewall rules within Synology as well. And then after that, we'll do our final kind of review of how I like Synology Surveillance Station. What I've used of it so far, I still much prefer Ubiquity, obviously. I don't think I tweeted this out. Not that I need to. It is oh yeah, I guess it is a long weekend for everybody. So our holiday was on Friday in Canada. And then tomorrow will be the US holiday. So for most people, it is, I'm just trying to find this link to my frickin' live stream. Is that it here? I think that's it. You're 3 minutes late. I said 11. Yeah, what time is it now? Oh, it is 11. So you're not late at all. I started early. This page, why is it showing my thumbnail? I can't grab the frickin' stream. Oh, there we go. Whoops. Pause that. Sorry. Rip your ears. I didn't mean to play that. Ungamer, how's it going? So I'm actually streaming on Twitch as well. So if you hear me asking people things or talking to people on different channels, it's because I'm doing Twitch. And we'll talk about that in a minute as well. Yes, the stream is also going on Twitch or YouTube. So let me just tweet this out quickly. Live on YouTube. I hope that's the link. I don't really know. Okay, so let's see. It's 1 a.m. in Melbourne. Wow, why are you still up? I go to bed super early. You sent me a few pictures on Instagram. Do you mind me posting them or talking about them in this live stream? We're still I'll still add them to the video because we're gonna end up giving, like, I don't know what I'm giving away for these home lab things. I think I'll probably just stick to like G3 or G4 instance. One, they're relatively cost effective. Two, they're small. So if I have to ship them far away, it doesn't cost me a lot. Z-Guy, good morning. Chris, good morning. How's it going? So let's talk about the disappointing Ubiquiti news, which isn't really disappointing to you guys. It doesn't really affect anybody besides content creators. Ubiquiti has decided to pause the affiliate link. So this is the last month for like myself, Willie, Crosstalk Solutions, Lawrence Systems, I think LTT, he also had a link. So they're going to be canceling that or just pausing it for now. And they say because of stock. I mean, stock's been better than it ever has been for the last 6 months. So I'm not too sure why they're canceling that. But if you do want to support the channel, this is the last month to do it for now. So this one right here, I'll put the links again. I know most people have already been using them. That is the US link. That is the American link. So it's really sad. So now I got to figure out how to, I don't know. Maybe I'll have to reach out to sponsors and stuff like that. But it would be for videos to, like, people who would sponsor me for gear I like. That's the only thing. Did I already say hi to you, Chris? Jeff, good morning. Ziga, I think I already said hi to everybody. Okay. Steve, good morning. Or you say go for it. What am I talking about? I'll have to show that after. Ubiquiti probably saw how much money they were losing on the referral program, canceled it. I was doing all right. I can't complain on that. I mean, I probably didn't have to work. So and I mean, I'm small peas compared to Crosstalk Solutions and Linus Tech Tips. Jamie, good morning. Glenn, good morning or evening in the world. So yeah, so that really sucks. I feel bad for Crosstalk because he's been asking it for this for, you know, what the hell is this? You can now add ads into live streams. I don't want to, can I show this? I don't want to show this off. So we could place ads on our YouTube live stream. So creators earn even more money inserting ads. Ugh. I'm not going to give that a try right now, but maybe at the end of the stream, we'll play an ad and see if it even gives us something. Okay, so you said go for it. Ads in a live stream as for YouTube. So YouTube does have this new ad thing. That's never been there before. This is the first time I've seen it. I guess they're trying to become more like Twitch, I guess. Tim, good morning. How are you? Yeah, it looks like they're becoming more like Twitch, which is different. This would discourage content creators like you from creating awesome content, which benefits Ubiquiti. The issue, I mean, I'm still going to do Ubiquiti no matter what. I love it. I love their gear, and I buy like a ton of the stuff, right? So it's not like that's going to drive me away from releasing Ubiquiti stuff. That's the biggest thing on my channel. When I release a Ubiquiti video, it does relatively well compared to if I did a Grandstream video or if I did a Synology video. Those don't do as well. The videos that do well on my channel are Ubiquiti and the on-site job videos. Hey Cody, what do you think about Bill C-11 for Canada that is going to hurt content creators online if government passes it? I have no idea what that bill is, so I have no clue. I'm not too sure. Well, Pat, I think it's more for, well, Google would obviously make some money off of it, but the content creator would too. Like myself would make money off of it. I don't know how much. I have no idea. But anyway, you guys want to hit that like button though? There's 53 of you here and 11 likes. Did you check out the new beta update on the UDM Pro? I didn't. And we can't really look at early access stuff, but take a look here. Oh, they're releasing firmware for Amplify. That's strange. I've been waiting. I thought there's a really good update that's coming out, and I thought this was going to be it, but it isn't. There's still a very, there's a really good update coming out for the UDM Pros and SEs and stuff like that. That's a lot of people are going to like. Yes, happy 4th to the US folks. Anyone ever have a flash drive fail inside the UNVR? Mine just went bad and quit. Yes, so there is, I forget the fix for it, but there are videos on it. I know actually one of my subscribers and I guess friend, Bruce, he did it as well. So his UNVR, the USB failed in it, he swapped it over and it worked. You said you were also streaming on Twitch. What's the name? I don't see under Mac Telecom. So that's another thing. I'm going to try to diversify. I like playing games. Obviously, I do post some stuff in the community. Some people might not like it that I'm posting, gaming stuff in Lego. But that's stuff I like to do. I'm not ever going to stream myself playing games or building Lego on this Mac Telecom channel. But I will be doing that on my Twitch channel. So that's why I made it. And it's live right now. I mean, the Twitch following is very, very small. But I would love to get to affiliate and, I always build Lego. I'm always playing games. Or I don't play games that often, but I'm starting to now. So why not stream it? So that's the Twitch live stream right there. Twitch.tv. I don't think that links. Twitch.tv/Frozil. So that name, it kind of is just, it's a random name. My first gamer tag for Xbox was Frodel. And, my buddies always called me Frozil, and that's kind of just what it is now. But if you do hit the follow button on that, it will pop up. How the heck do I do this? It will pop up a little alert. I turned the sound off though. And I am, after this live stream, I'm going to be streaming on there. I'm going to stop the stream on Twitch, and then I'm going to be streaming on there for, I'm going to play some Call of Duty. So it's going to be, so this is the alert that will pop up if, oh, okay, some people are already following, so I missed whoever just followed there, but that's the alert that will pop up. Typically there's a noise to it, but I turned it off. Colin Sick, watch Twitch, the sun, the surfing bird. K Corbett, 1985. Thank you for the follows. So that's something new that's going to be happening, and it's going to be more relaxed. You might hear me cuss. So I do swear from time to time, but I don't swear on my YouTube channel because it's a little bit different, right? We don't want to have that. But yeah, it's just going to be more fun. I'll be playing games with my friends. Maybe sometimes I'll play games with you guys if people are up to that. I've really just been playing Ori and the Blind Forest. That's what I was just playing. And then yesterday I was playing Halo Infinite, and then what else was I playing? Halo Infinite. And then, yeah, I just started Warzone again. I suck at it. I'm not awesome at video games, but yeah. It's just fun. I mean, I like doing it. So it's a good time. But back to tech. And I'll mention the Twitch stuff again. You're up to playing games with me. Perfect. Yeah, I mean, I'll end up doing that eventually. I need to kind of figure out the stream first. But yeah. And I have a green screen. That's what I use for the Twitch channel. I don't have this backdrop. But there hasn't been a whole lot new with Ubiquiti that's been coming out this week anyway. Let's see. So the smart chime, the one thing that I kind of got wrong on that is when I said in the video that I wish the chime lasted longer. So it just did that ding dong, whatever for like 3 seconds. but that's a standard chime. So I went out, I hooked it back up to my mechanical chime, and the digital smart chime actually lasted a bit longer than that. I couldn't really edit it out of the video after because I've already published it. It would be nice though if we could have custom ringtones, which we can't right now. Andrew from Ontario. You've been in this chat before, haven't you? Where do you live in Ontario? I think, are you fairly close to me? Or have I worked with you? I don't remember. My mind is brutal. So yeah, firmware releases. I'm hoping they push out the new UDM Pro and UDM SE firmware because it's a lot of people are going to be happy with that. What other firmware do we need? They were talking about the stacking in the. They did a video on stacking actually. Let's just go to the Ubiquity page. Oh, that's my channel too. That's my Lego channel. God, I'm a nerd. So they had something about the UNVRs that we could stack, and I believe that's in EA now. What was it? Maybe it was in one of the, I forget which video it was in. I think it was in this one right here. But the stacking can only be done with the UNVR Pros. I only have one UNVR Pro, so I haven't been able to try it yet. D. McCallum, that's my dad. Everybody say hi. Hope you have fun with Jay. Jay is my brother. You guys have seen him in some of the videos, guy with tattoos. Have you thought about starting a reselling website and dropship directly from Ubiquity? No, I haven't. I mean, the hardware about starting a reselling website and dropship directly from Ubiquity? No, I haven't. I mean, the hardware isn't where we make our money anyway. When we're deploying customer gear, I don't make any money off of it. I think I'm going to start, like, if they need me to purchase the equipment and it's like a huge job, it's not just like one UDM Pro, we may have to start putting a 10% on that because it takes a lot of time to get this stuff. Happy to see Ubiquity Store restocking on pretty much a regular basis. So Tony, that's one thing. That's what kind of caught me off guard with them backtracking on the affiliate stuff. I mean, I'm very grateful for Ubiquity for having me in the program for the affiliate thing. Let's get that out right out front. Maybe it is stock issues. I don't know, because in Canada we have no stock. Like, there's nothing. I just had to order 5 UDM Pros from the States. It ended up costing me $550 in duty fees coming back across, and then $150 extra in shipping. So yeah, I'm not super happy about that, but what I need to get, I still actually need to get one switch. So I need to get one of these guys right here. I bought 4 of these from the States, so this is going to cost me a ton extra as well. Peter, I don't know if I said hi to you, but good morning. How are you? 2.4.12 just came out, so that's not the one that I'm talking about. There is if you look in the early access, maybe it's not even out yet. I talked to some people within Ubiquity and they told me stuff that's coming out. That will get people very excited. I mean, I'm excited about it. That will be a video that I do a release video on for these things here. It doesn't, what does it even update? This is a rolling release, so it improves DPI and performance, fix issue when backup and restore progress. Oh, okay, so it's just a backup and restore thing. That's it. I would not buy the chime. I use 2 Z-Way chimes through Home Assistant, fully customizable. Love Ubiquity, but they're half-baked at the moment. So is that able to work with the Ubiquity doorbell? I've been thinking about getting into Home Assistant. Yeah, so the edge routers and switches, I was thinking about doing some videos on them. I know they are a little older. I do have an edge router X. I was going to buy a bunch of them when they came in stock. I think there was like 2,000 edge router X's that came in stock. And if you guys aren't following Quick Tech Solutions, make sure you do. Tony makes great videos. Carson Wolf, how's it going? Good morning. What else were we going to talk about? Okay, so what's the title of this? Smart Chime Home Labs. So we will talk about the Home Labs in a little bit. There was the jobs that we're doing. Where did that picture go? Thought I had it open. Okay, give me a sec. I gotta grab this picture. Don't think. Oh, here it is here. So this actually, we'll put that down. All right. So I posted this picture on Instagram. I posted it on Twitter and everything, you know, a couple days ago. This is a job site that we want to bid for. It's for 4 real estate offices. And this we're going to end up obviously cleaning up. But they have these old Nortel switches. We talked about this last live stream. So what we're going to do, they don't, I don't know if they have a firewall in place either. They might have, but I don't remember. So we're ripping out both these switches and putting in a firewall. The old company was charging these people $4,000 a month for hardware as a service when they're end of life equipment, which is insane. So yeah, what we're going to do, we'll be ripping these switches out. We'll be putting in a UDM Pro. We'll be putting in 248 USW 48 PoEs. I didn't quote on cleaning up these cables, but we're going to do it anyway. I'm going to just, for the amount of time it's going to take me and the bit of money for extra patch cables, it will look 100 times better. So it's just going to be hard to cable manage because they have these, the 110 punch panels. So I don't know if it's a full 48, but if it is, we'll just have to drop this panel right here, drop that down, throw in a 48 port switch. And then on this top patch panel, we'll run a 1 foot down to the bottom, you know, 24 ports. And then on this patch panel, we'll run the 6-inch. I'm hoping it looks clean. I'm sure it'll look cleaner than what it is now. Man, that looks terrible. You need to clean that up. Yeah, we will be cleaning up. Typically, this is what our racks look like more. So I forget what job this was, but something like that. But yeah, so I contacted the owner yesterday. I said, you know what, your firewalls are in. They're not in. I got to go pick them up tomorrow. Your firewalls are in. We're waiting for the switches. Access points should be here tomorrow. And then, I asked, I'm like, do you mind if I, you know, do videos of this? Because it's going to be 4 different job sites. I'll probably make 4 different videos for it. And she said, yeah, absolutely. So I'm very happy with that. Stock here in the EU is quite good lately, but as I was looking right on the site, they bumped up the prices again. I thought they weren't bumping up the prices for 2021. The issue, yeah, I mean, they need to I could see with the fuel and stuff like that, it's costing everybody money. I'm not going to be bumping up my prices this year. No problem, Tony. Your content's great. I've been watching you. I've been watching Tony before I started YouTube. I was going to mention something else about that. Oh, so what happened? I bought the 5. There's only 4 sites. I bought 5 UDM Pros by accident. So I bought them from the States. They get shipped here, and the next day the UDM Pros get in stock in Canada. I was so upset because like I said, it was an extra $600. Hey Cody, I got the GramStream Wave app running. Man, it was super easy and so nice. We should try to get together someday. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that would be fun. I mean, I've set up the Wave app when it was internal. I haven't done it external yet. I'm not too sure about the load balancing. That's one thing I don't know of, but there are a lot of other good features coming to it. A lot of people want load balancing, I guess. I know most of the businesses that I work with, they don't even have 2 ISPs anyway. Yeah, wouldn't I? You would love Home Assistant. It's maturing very well. All Unify products work with it. So I do follow quite a few people who use Home Assistant. And a couple of people have done Unify and Home Assistant videos. I probably wouldn't post any videos on it though. Appreciate all the videos. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you watching. That's great. We got Geekpill on the, what is this, Twitch side. Hey Cody, I have been in some of the comm rooms that look a lot worse because users seem to think they could patch themselves. That's true. So this communication room isn't, I mean, it's not terrible. Right? Like it's not terrible. They are all different lengths, but it could be a lot worse. This picture is of the back. So what we're gonna, let me move my head. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna cut off all these tie wraps, get those done. We're not re-terminating anything, so I'll just maybe, you know, zip these off. Can we zoom in here? Ooh, I just don't know if I could. Oh, there we go. Like down here, they kind of like the shielding is kind of the jacket is a little far back, but I mean, if they're not having super issues, yeah, because that if we had to re-terminate all this, that would take a long time, and then I would have to definitely charge extra. Where are we? Do you think the USG will go end of life soon? I don't think so. I'm not too sure. I don't use any USGs anymore, though. Let me go back to a page that's not. What is the best platform to run Unified Controller on multiple sites? So, there's a couple ways you could do it. You could host it yourself somewhere in the cloud. But if you don't want to worry about doing any updates or anything like that, you could do Hostify. Hostify is great. That's where all my customers are on. It's very easy to deploy new sites if you have multiple customers, or you have the Ubiquiti one now. They have Ubiquiti Cloud. It's just, whatever fits your budget, I guess. Put the 24 on top and the 48 in between. Oh yeah, shit. That's a good idea. Whoops, I didn't mean to swear there. That's a good idea. That is actually a good idea. I didn't think about that. Unless the cabling at the back, I can't do it, but we'll see about that. Yeah, that does make sense. That makes sense. I recently migrated a site to the UDMSE from the USG. Import went well, but my two Wi-Fi networks clients can't see or connect. That's weird. I created two new separate 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, and all the clients can't see or connect manually. Only Wi-Fi. Okay. So you know what you probably have done? Your port profile is probably set to LAN, either between your switch and the UDM, or between the switch and your access points. You have your own YouTube channel as well. Awesome. What's it called? I don't know if you probably can't post the link in here though. Most likely won't work. It's probably your port profiles. I would check all your uplink ports and the ports between your access points. Any tips for cleaning up installs in a tight space? I'd have to see it, to be honest with you. It's very it all depends on the situation. A lot of the times we'll just rip and replace it. Is Netgear router good? I think I did a video on the Netgear stuff, didn't I? Let me see what's saying on Twitch. At my workplace, it looks terrible in every rack. I warn them that when I get time, I will clean it up. I like cleaning up network racks, but it all depends what you like to do. But yeah, I did the Netgear Insight BR200, and this router took 6 months to get to me. It was all right. I mean, you have to pay for license fees, I think, and I'm pretty sure most people are kind of sick of license fees right now. There's no giveaway today. No. I guess, yeah, shoot. What did I say on Twitter? I don't have anything to give away right now. I think I did make a post on Twitter, though. Oh, you know what? I probably don't have it. I don't think I pinned it. So we hit 65.5 million views, so that's cool. I said, all right, hear me out. 100 million views by 2025. That's a stretch goal. I'd be very happy if we got to like 20 million views by then, but 100 million would be even better. So the next thing I'm going to give away, I'm not too sure. I really, really don't know. Yeah, I reached out to TP-Link to see if they wanted to sponsor a giveaway. I mean, not actually pay me money, but send gear to people. I reached out to Ubiquiti. I didn't hear anything back from them, but I'll end up giving people. We'll do some giveaways for Ubiquiti. Synology router, new router is amazing. I haven't tried the Synology router, but maybe that's a giveaway eventually. Carson Wolf, I will check that out. I'm always looking for new people to look out as well. Oops, where'd my Twitch stream go? Oops. I hate license fees. I think it's brutal. I don't know if G4 Flex is going to come out. I hope it does. I think that would be great. Do you wait for the UDM SE or the regular Pro? So it really depends on what the client needs. If we had more regular stock of the SEs, I would probably just start buying those. The best gift, 2-hour support to the winner. I mean, I already talked about doing 2-hour support. I could do that or something like that. If people are down for that. Not everybody needs support. That's the problem. But if you do need support, you could always go to my website. That's a good plug right there. Thank you for that. MacTelecomNetworks.com. You could click on this button. You could see our rate, $150 an hour, and then you could either, it's just a pre-filled page, and you contact us, whatever. Or if you just have questions. I'm trying to get to every email, but it doesn't always happen. I get quite a few emails. The G4 Doorbell Pro would have been a great giveaway, and I wish I would have got the second one. I was supposed to get 2, and that's what the plan was. But the G4 Doorbell Pro hasn't come back in stock either. I recently got the UDR, love the design and the software, but I'm very unpopular with the kids. I don't know if it's a range issue, but we have lots of disconnects on Wi-Fi. You might have to just add a secondary access point. Yeah, I can't really get into that too much, but I'm sure that is for sure, depending on where you live in the world. How's the new job going? I haven't even gone there yet. So I haven't I'm kind of walking in here blind. I'm working with another telco company. My uncle actually got me this job. My uncle owns a telecom business. His website's a little out of date. I'm not even going to go to it. But he owns a telecom business. He's retiring soon. And he's actually on vacation right now. So a person he knows, that's how I got the job. They kind of hooked me up. So I just got the pictures from the telecom guy putting in their VoIP system. And I'm kind of walking in there blind. So we're going to have to see how that's only one site. I need to see how the other 3 sites are. Yeah, I wouldn't have minded doing the Synology. I don't have a Synology contact. I mean, I wasn't going to buy it. I think the hookup or somebody gave me a contact for Synology, and anyway, the email bounced back. So yeah, that sucks. I'm trying to reach out to other companies though to get some more stuff to put on the channel. Now without my affiliate links, I'm going to have to start being careful with what I buy because I spend a ton of money on gear. Your YouTube channel is the best. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. We got 80 people here, 34 likes, 82 people here. If you want to hit the like button, that'd be greatly appreciated. What else? Oh, I'm trying to get in touch with these people too. Okay. I never could spell it. I don't know if this is... I never could spell it and I never could say it. And people always tell me how to say it, but anyway. So I'm trying to get in touch with these people to try out some of their products and maybe do some videos on it. I don't know if they're going to send it because the tool is about 15 grand. So it's like this sidekick. It's for Wi-Fi heat map testing and stuff like that, for analyzing Wi-Fi. So we'll see if we could get that. It's kind of like the NetAlly NXG, which I had to send back, so I wasn't able to do the heat map video on, unfortunately. I probably well, I didn't have any clients that I could actually bring it to site. Looks great. Thank you. Yeah, so I'm hoping I need to buy actually a bunch of... This is where I get my patch cables. If you're in Canada, I think I don't know if they ship to the States. They might ship to the States, but I get it from Infinite Cables. Let's see. Cat 6 patch cables. So they have they have a whole different... These are the standard molded ends. I like these. Those are nice. And this is the one we use, the ultra thin. Those are weird. I wonder what these things are. These are locking patch cables. So these actually lock in. Oh my God, they're expensive. So for an 8-inch locking patch cable, it's $6. That's expensive. Well, yeah, maybe I'll order one. I'm going to order one when I do my next round of ordering. I wonder if they went up in patch cables too, price. Probably didn't. Ultra thin. 6-inch. And here's another issue, out of stock. So trying to color code keystone jacks and patch cables has been a nightmare. Out of stock. So I could get gray for $2.35 each. I like red. Red, it makes me happy. The yellows are pretty nice too. But black and blue, they're almost impossible to get. I might have to start ordering monoprice. I don't know. $110 nice. I don't use 110 punch panels anymore. Ever. Prices on everything is going up. Yep. They will ship to the States. Try Lin Hao. Okay, let me put that in my notes. They have Cat 6. Yeah, they probably do have Cat 6A in stock. Cat 6A is more expensive though. And when I'm not using Cat 6A, it doesn't really matter. Where are they? Probably the Cats. So it was $2.35. It's $1 extra. But I usually order these in the couple hundred. Actually, I wonder if that goes up. Let's say 200. No, it still prices at $3.59. Crap. I wonder if I could talk to them and work out some sort of a deal. All your installs I've seen are amazing, very professional installs, in my opinion. Keep up the great work. Perfect. Thank you very much. NetSpot works for heat map too. So I do have NetSpot. I've never done a video on it, but I do have the NetSpot app. I've been thinking about either buying this, maybe, if I like it. I mean, this is, or the NetAlley NXG, or they had, the NetAlley had something else. NetAlley. Because I already have the NetAlley Link Runner 2, which is just for, you know, testing and LLDP and stuff like that. But they have this other one that's just meant for Wi-Fi. Is it this, the air checker? Or it might be the air mapper, I forget. Thing with these tools, I don't do a ton of heat map scans, and they're very expensive. Like the NetAlley NXG is about 15 grand as well. Yeah, it won't work, and I don't even know how to give you permissions to do the link. You could put it in my Discord if you're a part of my Discord, or you could tweet at me or something like that. Jorgen, good afternoon from the Netherlands. Best long cable Cat 6 brand you use? Probably vertical cable, most likely. Shiny Tech Things. Everybody go check out Shiny Tech Things. They have a YouTube channel as well. Great. There's a lot of people who have YouTube channels in here. Geekville on the Twitch side says, with licensing fees, I do dislike the Grand Stream has tied the enterprise customization to the UCMRC plans. I think Willie just did a video on that the other day. As someone that runs the 6300 series at home, not really worth it, even for the basic free plan with 20 minutes of calling. I did see that. That is very low. We'll need to just go back to the whitelisting families friends on the YouTube. I really like Unified Talk, and I hope that it comes here soon. Damage? Oh, here we go. We need cheap solutions for Wi-Fi heat maps. NetAlley, or not NetAlley, sorry. It was NetSpot, the NetSpot app. Take a look at that NetSpot. I mean, this is the most cost-effective that you're going to get. I think I have the enterprise license. I don't know if you could get a free one. But you need to make sure with this, when you're doing the scans, I mean, this does the trick, but it's just not as good as the NXG or the Echo. I have no idea how to say that. But anyway, you need to make sure that you get a good external Wi-Fi adapter for it. So you might spend $100 on this license or something, and maybe another $100 on a good external Wi-Fi chipset. Cody, I need to run some Ethernet cables in my home. Do you have any tips, recommendations when running through 2 floors? I have access to the attic in crawl space. I don't know. I don't do homes anymore because they're a pain in the butt. You might want to get an installer bit though. Like this. These big bits right here. I hate doing residential. I won't do, I mean, we will do residential if the cables are already pulled. But they have these big bits. I don't know. This isn't the one I have. This one's pretty big, but they have these other ones that are like 4 feet tall that you have to hold it and you drill it down. That's really the only way. You'll probably have to cut some drywall though. Most likely. What are your gaming rig specs? I have no idea. I have no idea. I don't even know if my Twitch is updated with the correct one. How do I go to my channel? Mute myself. We're going to get Inception here now. Actually, I could pause it. So this is what I used to have. I honestly don't know what I have. Yeah, is this what I have? This is old. This is all old. This was from 2 years ago. I think this is the same computer though. Intel i7-9700F, Crucial Ballistics 8 gig, which is now up to 32, I think. Asus, whatever, RTX 2070 8 gig. So I've wanted to upgrade gaming PC or a PC, this PC for editing and stuff like that, but it's just been stock as well. Did you use the net spot for client? I haven't actually yet. No, maybe I'll do a video on it. Hello, I was the 50th person to hit the like button. That is Chantel. Everybody say hi to Chantel. That is my fiance. She is at work right now, so I'm looking after the cats. Kind of. I guess I'm streaming here with the air conditioning blasting. Do you use access points? I absolutely do. Yep. Oh, look at. So we got a bunch of good tips here. If you can find a wall that is exterior to matches the top of the bottom installer bits, make it pretty easy. You could always come out the side of your house, run the cable down and in. I mean, it looks very ugly, but if you want to get that, I put a piece of conduit on the side of my house. I think that was the easiest for me. It was a 2-story and I didn't want to cut drywall. And actually the access point up here, the reason it's placed there is because I drilled through the wrong, I thought I was hitting the back wall, the drywall, and I went through the roof. So that's why we put an access point there. Peter, good morning. How's it going? Robert, thanks for coming by. I appreciate it. Have a good rest of your Sunday and happy long weekend if you're in Canada or the US. What? Oh, home lab pics. Who were we going to show? I forget who said they were good. Who was it? Oh, it was Steve. Okay, I'm just going to pull my DMs over here. I don't want to show anything I shouldn't. I don't know if I got a ton of requests. Where the heck will you be? No, they're under there. Oh, there we go. I think this is you right here. I think that's it. Let me just make sure the name's correct. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so we'll show that off. Nice. I still use RTX 2080. I wanted to. I'm terrible with hardware, like gaming hardware specs. So yeah, but I do want to upgrade. I don't know what's the best for video editing. So what I bought for my where's my Twitch gone? I don't know where it went. Trying to find my Twitch chat gone. It's gone. Oh, there we go. It's right here. So what I bought for my Twitch, because my computer can handle streaming Twitch and playing games at the same time. So I just bought an Xbox Series X. So yeah, and they have Game Pass. Xbox Game Pass is amazing. Easy with a 90 drill. Nice. Have you tried the Unify Protect door lock yet? I haven't because it's in early access. What do you do when your access point doesn't work? Fix it? I don't know. Troubleshoot it, I guess. My access points typically always work. The only time I have problems with my access point is when I'm messing around with my lab. But where is this? This is Steven. Is it Steven? This is Steve's home lab here. Let me just kind of put my face over these. Whatever. Doesn't matter. These are all just home lab people. Okay. So this is his lab here. I don't know. Let's read. Hey, Cody, I missed the live stream, so I didn't know about the submitted contest. That's okay. All right. So this is where we're going to, people don't rate it in the chat. I'll rate it when I do the video. That looks like a UPS maybe, or is that a NAS? Not bad. These, I haven't seen these type of gray cables in quite a while. Oh, I like that. So he's got his pie hole right displayed on a monitor in the rack. Show off anymore. No. You know what? We'll leave the rest for the live stream, or for the video that I do. I don't know if people want me to show off their stuff on live stream either. Oh, great. Here comes the bots. Report. Does that take them away? Does that work? Remove. Put user in timeout. These frickin' bots, man. Hide from channel. There we go. Oh, Lord. Just about any high-end PC is also great for editing. So I was going to just need M2 for storage. So I think I have M2 chip in this PC right now. Carson, no problem. Have a good one. I was going to get a Mac, but the problem with the Mac, it was like $8,000, and yeah, I'm not paying that much. What about the material that ceilings are made of? The ceilings that have space in between for cables. Yeah, you could do that as well. I mean, if you have attic space and you're in a bungalow, you could do that. Yeah, Steve, I'll add yours to the next video. You'd share mine. Jason, where'd you send that again? Is it through Facebook? I don't even know if let's see if I could log into Facebook. That I definitely don't want to be showing my PMs. Holy Lord. It takes forever to load. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, you did send it. I think you sent it through Facebook. No, was it through Facebook? I don't even know where you sent it. Where did you send this through? I should have just directed people. Oh no, now I got 45. The requests just keep going up and up and up. I can't see them in Facebook. I don't see them. The last thing that it shows is that link that you just sent me now, and then something from Tuesday. But I'll put yours in the video. I can't see it. Yeah, I can't see them right now. Instagram? I don't know. I don't see it. Instagram either. Oh, here it is right here. Okay, I'm not going to read all that right now, but let me show Jason's lab stuff. Okay, so this is Jason's lab, or Jason Lehman, but yeah, that's nice. You have some LED strips in there? Jason doesn't use the UDM Pro though, so we got to shame him on that. I'm just joking. He uses Untangled. I do like the color of that Untangled box. I think that's nice. I have no idea what these are, but they look cool. Couple Cisco switches. Aruba. Little Aruba. You got a lot of freaking lab stuff. Holy crap. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that was nice. I like the LEDs inside. I was thinking about getting some RGB LEDs for mine, but mine's not even an enclosed rack. Where were we? My talk phone will not call out or take calls. It's on the default LAN. Any ideas? Are you using Unify Talk as your SIP server? Thanks for showing. I already read that. Not on Facebook. Okay. Probably gonna only go about another 10 minutes on YouTube, and then I'm gonna take a quick break, and then we're gonna stream some video games on Twitch. So that will be fun. I mean, we could still talk about tech in the Twitch stuff, but I'm gonna be playing some Call of Duty. The LEDs allow me to curse and swear and see what cables I accidentally pull out. You can show my home labs. Okay, take care, Carson. Have a good day. No problem. Andrew, where'd you send it? This will be the last home lab I show. I gotta find it. It will be under requested. Did you send it over Instagram? I don't see you in Instagram. Unless you did under Twitter, maybe? Twitter or something else? Yeah, so I'll be on here for another 10 minutes. That will be going an hour on my YouTube channel. Let me make my head a little bit smaller. There we go. Do you recommend Switch Enterprise 24 PoE? I am currently using a non-24 PO or port MikroTik switch in Netgear. I do. That's my favorite switch. So that's the switch I use, not the XG. Where'd it go? This one. That's the switch I have in my network rack. I think they sent it to me, or I might have bought it. I forget. How's the material called that those ceilings are made out of? Stucco? Maybe insulation? I'm not too sure. But yeah, this switch is my favorite because it lines up all the 24 ports in one line instead of doing half the ports on the one side, which is a bit of a nightmare. Tony, have a good weekend. Appreciate you coming by. Have a good holiday tomorrow. I'm not actually sure about the multiple lines with Unified Talk because I only have one line with Unified Talk. Unified Talk isn't available in Canada, so I had to kind of do a bit of a workaround to get it working to do the videos. So I'm not too sure on that. You might want to ask that in the Unify forums. The Unify community is actually pretty good. Try to post the link. How do we look at that? Stories, topics, maybe? For support, maybe. No, it's not that. Crap, I forget where they are, so I can't post the link. Usually I could find it. I think it's under community. I think this is it here, community.ui.com. Someone should be able to answer that a little better than I do. Until Unified Talk comes out here, it's really, I'm just playing with it or helping people out in the States. Oh, it was in Discord. I don't think I have Discord open. I forgot I have Discord too. There's so many pictures I got to go through. Okay, so did you tag me? Routing, somebody tagged me in routing switching. Home lab videos. What's your name in Discord? Is it the same? Oh, here it is. There, oh, that's nice. I'm just going to download the picture. Save image. My, we'll call that, what we'll call this? Andrew. No, how do I find it? Do I save that on my desktop? Shoot. You know what? Here's what we're gonna do. Snipping tool. That's the easiest way to do things. Okay, here we go. So this is Andrew's rack. That's nice. What are you using? Are you, what are those monoprice patch cables? Maybe? If it is, I really do like the boot on the monoprice. I think they're great. The only thing I would probably suggest is, if you want my suggestions for this, I will put this in the video as well, is probably putting Velcro on these. And what I do, like I said in the last video, I put the blanks in, but that really is just a personal choice. The blanks are just going to cost you extra money, but it does give it a bit of a cleaner finish, I guess you could say. But yeah, no, that looks nice. I just ordered 20 of these DAC cables because I've had an issue trying to get them. I have talk on my default LAN. I cannot make, I'm not too sure. I won't be able to troubleshoot that here. If you want me to troubleshoot, I mean, I can, but I do charge a consulting fee. You could reach out to me through my website, Mac Telecom. Here, I'll post it here. MacTelecomNetworks.com. That's my website. It would probably be easier to do that than through my live stream. Vertigo, morning, can't find the USW Flex to purchase in the US. Been out of stock for months. That is true. It has been. That switch is very, 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 very popular. Very popular. Buying Enterprise 24 PoE ASAP after my gaming rig upgrade. I do love the or you could always go with the XG, and then you could get 24, what is it? 24 10 gig ports and 2 or 4, no, it's 2. So here you could get 24 10 gig ports across, oh, they're not PoE, crap. But it has 225 SFP uplinks. That sucks. This would have been a lot better if they featured PoE for it, but they don't. I had to mount 2 APs at work in such nasty ceiling there now. Yeah, but we've worked in a lot of crappy places before. Cody, make sure you check out that store. Yes, I'm definitely going to. I do want a couple different, I want to get some different color ones, DAC cables. I submitted my home network to Instagram, so when you do your next review, yes, so I'll be doing it. I'm going to have to go in order because I've got a lot of requests. So, you know, the latest pictures, that's what I'll post in my second video. Then we'll do third, fourth, whatever. I wasn't sure if we were going to put out more videos, but it did all right. I mean, it's at 5,000 views, which is, you know, decent-ish. So we'll end up doing more. And then the person that I like the home rack in that video the most will give away a G3 instant, I guess, or something like that. Oh yeah, you could do, yes, you could do my Discord as well. I just don't have the link for it. Where's the link for my Discord? I think I posted it in here. Here's my Discord. If you want to be a part of that for the tech stuff. Where is my Twitch chat on? There we go. That's the Discord. That might be able to help you as well for free. I wish my house had Cat 6A. It currently only has Cat 5e. So you could do 10 gigabit on Cat 5e at short distance. The 10G Tech DAC cables are all colors and work with Unify stuff 100%. Just did a setup. So I have used the 10G Tech and they are pretty good. Yeah, you could show your, you could do your home, maybe if you want to post it in there, that's the Discord. That's my Discord. You could follow me on Instagram as well or wherever. Okay, so we're going to end this in a second, but if you do want to watch or talk more tech or watch me play games, let me just shout my Twitch channel out again because that's where I'm going to be going next. Twitch.tv/Brozil. And that is where I just play video games. I'm going to do some Lego builds, you know, whatever, hang out, talk. If you're into that stuff, if you're not, don't follow it. But yeah, we could talk about whatever in that channel. Tomorrow, my next video will either be released tomorrow or Tuesday. And then these on-site videos will be released whenever I get my gear. So I'll have the firewalls, I think, tomorrow or Tuesday. And the switches should come by the end of the week. Oh, you're already on the Discord. Okay, yeah. If you want to send it, yeah, go ahead. Yep, absolutely. I would like to have all Home Lab into one applications. It would make it easier for me, but people are sending them everywhere anyway, so it doesn't really matter. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete the people's messages who I put in the first video, and we're just gonna go from there. I'll check Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and then the other one. Discord. So yeah, if you want to keep talking, I'm going to be back. I'm going to end my Twitch live stream. I'm going to end my YouTube live stream, and then I'll be back in 5 minutes. I'm going to take a quick break, but I'll be back live on my Twitch channel, playing some Call of Duty Warzone. So this week we could expect probably some TP-Link, a TP-Link video, Synology Surveillance Station, and maybe some Ubiquity stuff. Some people have asked me to redo my VPN videos because it's in the old video. Or sorry, old dashboard. We may redo the site-to-site VPNs. We would do this all in one video. Site-to-site VPNs, maybe the L2TP, and then we could kind of combine the new one, Teleport, which I've already done a full separate video on. Damn, that cough button works great. So yeah, I will be back on Twitch in about 5 minutes. I'm going to end the live stream here for YouTube. But everybody have a great day. I'm going to see if anybody else commented before we leave. Have you ever connected from, I don't know, UDM Pro to TP-Link switch? Yes, I have. It's just a bit of a different setup. Maybe I'll do a video on that. I have done that with Cisco as well. I've done a video on that. Everybody have a good day. I'll be live on Twitch in 5 minutes.